Now I have several luggages, and one of the most common places or parts that breaks down in my luggage is the wheels. Now look at this wheel over here. This one is still doing fine, but this one over here is starting to crack, and I can actually peel this up right now. Right. As it ages, this is one of the first few places that breaks down first, while the rest of the luggage is actually doing fine. Now this is another one that from another wheel, and what I did was that I used Fusion 360 to create a shape like this, and use the function called revolute to make a wheel, and I managed to print out using TPU. To be honest, the Wanhao 3D printer, I do not think it was designed with the TPU material in mind. I've had a lot of difficulty in printing a previous project, which I eventually gave up because it kept failing. But to my surprise, I was able to print this wheel out at a pretty fast speed, and it actually works pretty well. So I decided to print all 8 wheels because I know that the rest are gonna. Finished product looks like. Now, very fortunately, I printed it without any support, and if you look at the groove over here, I was very fortunate that the top part here, it printed out nicely because there wasn't any support. There's actually an indent at the top as well because the cross section is actually a U-shape, so that it hugs the support. See that groove over here? Yeah, this part here. So there's actually a groove at the top and a groove at the bottom, so that it hugs the support wheel. Basically it's stretchable, so I force it in, and and hopefully it doesn't come out when I'm using a luggage. There's a little groove here. Okay, it's actually chamfer or something, the command. So it's actually a slope, so that it's easier for me to force it into the wheel over here. So this is the wheel base, right? And because you can see the thickness over here, it will fit inside this part here, the indent here. Sorry, the indent here. Right? So what I do is that I will just push one side in, and slowly work. Yeah. Yep, that's it. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3 more wheels to print. After that, let's see how it holds when weight is added to it.